These are all Bison parts. They're filters. There's, I think, the picture is possibly the tractor. All that goes with it. You got your gaskets, wrenches. Okay. For your sliding T-rail dual, on your all your sliders, you got 6 of those. You got your hydraulic valve here. You got 2 more pieces never been used. This may be to mount this on. Here's a light. Here's for a new rake or tedder tooth. Here's another light. Here's a neat little. This is all war stapled on here. There may be some Winchesters in there. I don't know. They may not be.
Miscellaneous set number 3.